Why would you use an umbrella when there's like crazy ass lightning?
I don't know.
Like, what if you get hit?
Hmm?
Like, it's literally just being like, oh, please hit me, I'm carrying an umbrella. You could just hit me right here.
Oh.
It's like, dude, it's Target. It's like, please hit me. Hit me. I'll be the lucky person to get hit by lightning.
Oh! And I worried about a lucky person.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh yeah, so they got the one online. They got it online, bro.
Yeah.
Dude, you can just buy it online. Hell.
Yeah. Woo!
Okay, let's go to bakery.
Yeah, we better go.
Oh my god.
The worst is the storm is getting worse, so
The storm is coming.
Yeah. It's getting worse, so
The storm is coming. It's brewing. Henry V is coming.
Seriously.
Oh, he's coming.
What did you say?
Henry V is coming. Thou shalt see thy future.
Oh shoot! Dude, your reflection it just went boom.
Thou shalt see thy future of Henry V. Shakespeare is really great. When you be theatrical, it's great.
Yeah, it's like chasing the storm. It's just like, what's wrong with chasing storms?
Everything.
How? Like you get
die,
no
you
because
could
you
get
get no because like it's not about like chasing the storm closer. It's like you have to be far from the storm.
You could get hurt. You could get injured. You could die.
Whatever.
You could get hurt. You could get
You just said hurt twice, freaking twice.
Die.
Oh my god. And die too.
And thou shalt die if thou shalt chase the storm.
Woo!
But the storm is
Yeah, right now me and my sister are going to the bakery.
thy storm is coming, and thy two sisters are going to the bakery.
Yeah, shall survive. Woo!
See, you gotta really make it theatrical. So you're not making it theatrical. You gotta be like,
why?
thy
Like,
storm is coming.
I hope we don't
Sisters
die.
are going to thy bakery.
oh my god.
We are coming. The end is near. Or thy end is near. Sorry.
Woo!
Yeah, so this is crazy ass thunderstorm.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know.
I don't know. It's like
Who knows?
it's
Maybe I'll
this.
get hit. Maybe
No, like this is getting worse than.
Maybe I'll get hit. Who knows? Maybe it'll be my lucky day and I'll just get hit. Maybe, or you'll get hit.
Oh no
Or
no.
someone will get hit.
It's like look, it's literally, it's like early in the video that
It's not
you
even
saw
raining.
in
It's
the
not even
video.
raining.
It's getting worse. Like the last video that I posted about the thunderstorm, it's like no joke. Like literally no joke. Right?
No joke, bro.
Yeah.
Michael, this is it.
Woo!
The end is near.
It's I don't get it. It's like
At least
freaking hot outside. It's like about 95 degrees.
Yeah, and I'm wearing a sweatshirt.
Me too.
Because we're cool.
Yeah. And right now I'm kind of sweating because I don't want to get hit with a thunderstorm.
Who knows? Maybe I'll get hit though. Like, you
jeez.
never know. The odds are in my favor. Or are they not in my favor?
Woo!
Yeah.
That's why we gotta go to a bakery, which is like we need to get inside.
So maybe we will get hit. Maybe.
Oh my god,
No,
really?
chances are good.
Yeah, great.
Chances are great. Hey, look at that.
Yeah, I already recorded that part.
I know.
And now we're at the bakery. The bakery.
It doesn't look like that. literally nobody there.
Yeah, that's just messed up, bro. Hi, we're just back from the bakery shop.
Oh my god, is this the cookies and cream donut?
Maybe.
Oh my god.
What did you get?
It's like, this is like, I don't even know what it is.
You don't even
It's
know.
like a combination of like different things, and it's supposed to be really good, so I'm gonna try it.
Oh, cool. Yeah, we're just viewing the
my
lightning
God.
while eating. So, yeah.
Dude, this is a blessing. This is so good.
It's scary to watch the thunderstorm. Guys, like we're like both of us right now are thinking like this lightning is gonna hit us. But
Are we?
Huh?
Are we?
Yes. You just said it earlier.
I was joking, bro. This is good though.
Yeah. And I
This
can't
is my last meal, I'll accept it. Yeah, it's pretty good.
It's raining again.
It's not raining, it's
Ow.
snowing.
Curse you, thunderstorm. Like, this is the third time we have a freaking thunderstorm.
Welcome to Florida.
Well, yeah, it's because it's like 95 degrees. And it's hot outside. So the cold, and right now it's wind, like cold wind coming.
This is like so good.
Like literally no joke. Woo!
Wow.
This is it. I want to go back to the hotel right now, but I don't know about
So good.
Stop bragging about your stupid food.
You know what?
What?
I'm gonna tell you thunderstorm hack. Or facts.
Oh.
Because I love facts. Thunderstorm fact. You know what you do?
What?
Go to the car. It's the safest place because of the tires.
Oh yeah, because of friction. Because the tire. No, because the tire rubs against the road, so it's more safer because it's friction, right?
No. No.
No.
It's because the rubber tires create like a sort of shield around the car.
Oh. Okay, I get it now.
Wow.
What?
Real good.
Yeah. Or you're just walking while eating our food in the thunderstorm.
It's more like me eating.
Hmm.
I'm gonna be honest.
Well, I ate too, so I think I ate too. I don't know. I don't know myself anymore.
That's so good.
What is it like it's not really ice cream, right?
There's no ice cream.
Oh.
I don't know where you get ice cream from.
No, because it looks like a milkshake.
What I just had was a cookies and cream donut, I believe, in which I bought one, like for tomorrow, which is Rockstar, by the way. Love that.
Oh.
And I think topping it here are the brownies that you got, and some more of that frosting and some chocolate. Great.
Oh my god. These people these days need to pay
Great.
attention.
Oh look, volcano.
Woo! That's why it caused the thunderstorm, because the freaking heat of fire.
Back to me. So, I heard a description, and it said like, basically a combination of just like all the foods they have. So yeah, it's really great.
Yeah.
I just had the donut, haven't had anything else, but it's great. So far.
It's just right.
Oh, look at that! Volcano.
Dude, that scared the cheeses out of me.
Oh, it's so scary.
Shut up.
I'm pretty sure this is the place.
Huh?
I don't know. It's cute.
Hi, we're back. Kylie, come with me.
Oh, we're
back.
doing this again? Cool.
Well, yeah.
So, another storm hack. when it's lightning like this and it's crazy lightning, or if it's thunder and lightning at all, don't use an umbrella. Please.
Well, why can we go under?
Don't be those people who use umbrellas during thunderstorms. Please.
We can just sit there in the brick.
Do not do it. It's a big lightning rod saying, "Here I am, come get me." Also, don't use sports equipment like lacrosse sticks or helmets, because those are also made of metal. So don't be stupid. Yes, it might be raining during a thunderstorm, but then just go inside. Make life easier. To make life easier for yourself.
Yeah, just don't get killed by lightning.
Another fact.
What?
It's more likely for you getting bitten by a shark than struck by lightning.
Yeah. Like I heard there was like actually heard somebody told me that a woman from a long time ago got struck by a lightning and she got seizures. Like all seizures. It's not even funny.
Stop it.
From a lightning. It's like no joke. She's just walking down the street and then all of a sudden the lightning, bam, strike her. Yeah, we should probably go. Oh, okay. You want to throw this away?
No.
We're
You know
just...
what I really want right now?
What?
Starbucks.
Come on! Stop being obsessed with Starbucks.
Starbucks.
My sister's so obsessed with Starbucks, it's not even funny. Even if we go buy Starbucks, it's like, oh, Starbucks! Hey, let's go get Starbucks. I'm like, nope. What are you doing? Just eat the whole thing! What? Dude, is it a lightning? It looks like it was hitting to your forehead. It looks like it was hitting your forehead instead. That was funny. Just eat the damn thing. Oh my god, you're doing the same thing.
I'm confused. Oh, I know what it is.
What?
I'm pretty sure this is just a bunch of donuts.
Huh?
I think this one, right here, if you want to focus in, this layer right here, I think it's vanilla
it's
donut.
another donut.
Yeah.
And then the rest
And then,
is like chocolate something.
And then this one is a chocolate one. And then this
What
one I think is brownies.
What the flip? Dang.
That's my theory.
It's just messed up. Here, you want to
No,
hold
it's
this?
actually really great. No, I mean it.
I'm hot.
Yeah.
Hey, what's the weather right now? Like, not thunder, like how much degrees is?
Hey Siri, what's the temperature right now? 80 degrees.
80 degrees. And it's thundering. So it's hot, it's thundering, and it's just 80 degrees.